now. So the first step is, are you ready?
Yeah, let's start with the big question. Are you ready? How do you know if you're actually ready to buy a home? So, here's a few easy ways to figure it out. First of all, Tigo, you put a little thing, interactive quiz on our website, and it asks a few basic questions, to help you understand maybe your financial readiness, your lifestyle readiness, your emotional readiness, timing and life plans, as well as your preparation for the process. So once you go through that, you have a few yeses. Yes, I'm ready. Let's talk about some of the things that you might want to talk about,
Well, some of the things you want to know is like, okay, do you have a steady income?
right?
Obviously, that's going to be a big deal for a loan if you're getting a mortgage. Obviously, you need to be able to make your mortgage payment. Do you have some savings for a down payment? Maybe you don't need a down payment based on some of the programs, which we'll talk about here
Right.
a little bit later.
Also, maybe what's your credit score? Do you know your credit score or do you have a credit score? Because some people think it's really good not to have any credit. And then you also don't have the ability to purchase until you have a credit score to show that you know how to make sure to pay your bills,
Yeah, exactly.
right?
And, there's other things you need to think about is, are you comfortable taking care of a home? This is yours now. You have the responsibility to take care of it. Do you have the money? If something does break in the house, can you take care of it? So,
What
and
about, are you planning to stay in the house for a few years? Because if you're planning to move in a year or 2 years, probably you shouldn't be buying a house.
wait, a realtor said you shouldn't be buying a house?
Yep.
I know.
Yep.
It's unheard of. No, I mean, and again, that's why we're doing this is to give really good advice. Again, we've seen thousands of deals over the years, and we want people to understand what the process is.
So some of the other things is thinking about your commute, your family, your lifestyle. You're ready to really dive in and learn about the process. If you're ready to start working on the lending piece, those types of things are important, right?
Yeah, and you're also putting anchors in a neighborhood. You're becoming part of that community. There's definitely something that feels different when you live in a home that you own versus a property that you're renting.
For sure. We've
Yeah.
seen that over and over.
So anyway, in the link below here, I've got the link to our quiz. You can go through it, and if nothing else, just read through the list, and it gives you a really good sense of, okay, am I really ready or not?
And you are probably readier than you think. If you're watching this and you're
That's
thinking about
good.
homeownership, you're probably ready.